Hello, in this video we're gonna check which motion and gesture settings work on a lock screen for Samsung Galaxy A23. So right here you can see that I have a lock screen set up. Now we just need to open the settings to access gestures and motions, find advanced features somewhere in the middle of the settings, then go for motion and gesture, and right here you can see all of the settings. Now let's check which of them work on the lock screen. So first one is lift to wake. Turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. And now let's lock the device and try picking it up, and the screen wakes up. So that's quite simple and works on the lock screen. Next one is double tap to turn on screen. So we can lock our device, double press, and it also works fine. Double tap to turn off screen and make sure to enable it. Now we can open our phone so that it wakes up, and double press to lock it down again. Very simple. Next one is keep screen on while viewing, and that might work on a lock screen, but it's kind of pointless as it keeps your phone not blacking out or timing out when it detects your face. So next one is alert when phone picked up, and here I'm pretty sure that one works for a lock screen. So when you received any call or a message and you missed it and have the setting turned on, your phone will vibrate when it detects that you've picked it up. You can turn over to mute, and that works for a lock screen. So if you lock your phone and place it screen down like this, it should mute all incoming calls and notifications. That's very nice to know. And next one is finger sensor gestures, which you can enable to navigate the notification panel with your fingerprint sensor. It works on unlocked very well like this, but let's see if it operates on a lock screen. Let's wake it up, maybe now. Yeah, but it needs unlock, so this option doesn't work for a lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.